First thing I want to do is I'm going to pull the carburetor off this Yamaha Warrior and get it to where it'll crank and run. It's been sitting for about 2 years, and I can hold my hand over here and choke it. It'll crank and run just a little bit, but it won't idle. So I'm going to pull the carburetor off it and do a cleanup on it. The old four-wheeler's been sitting. You can see where it's just dirty as everything. I'm gonna clean it up real good. Do a little maintenance on it. Okay. Been working on the Warrior. Took the carb off, cleaned it. Put a new fuel filter on, washed and cleaned it up. Bought this thing with a bent rear axle. My son put a new rear axle in it. And we rode it for a while, but lately haven't ridden it very much. But it cranks right up. Ready to roll. This thing will be ready when we're ready.